Today we're making a short crust pastry with rhubarb pudding foam. This cake is delicious, so be sure to try it at home. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. In a bowl, combine butter, egg yolks, baking powder, sugar, powdered sugar and flour. Finally, add a pinch of salt and knead into a uniform dough. Split the dough 70 to 30%. Put the smaller part in a freezer bag. Line a 20 by 30 centimeters baking tray with paper. Spread the larger part, prick with a fork, and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until golden. Meanwhile, prepare the foam by beating egg whites with sugar and a pinch of salt. As you can see, we're adding sugar in batches. Mix briefly, then add more sugar. For this recipe, we need 5 egg whites. Once they're beaten stiff, I add 2 sugar-free pudding powders, 40 g each. Lastly, slowly pour in half a cup of oil. Mix briefly. The foam's ready. Spread it on the cooled crust. On the short crust base, spread chopped rhubarb. You'll need about 400 to 500 g. Grate the chilled dough on top. Bake for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Once done, let it cool, dust with sugar, and enjoy. It's delicious and easy. Try it. Exact ingredients are on my blog. Links in the description. Take care.